Carbon compounds. Exercise. Q. 1. Match the pairs. Answer. Q. Do. Draw an electron dot structure of the following molecules without showing the circles. A. Methane. B. Ethene. C. Methanol. D. Water. Answer. Q. 3. Draw all possible structural formulae of compounds from their molecular formula given below. A. C3H8, B. C4H10, C. C3H4. Answer. 8 C3H8 propane कोष्टक C3H8 has no isomers. There is only one possible structure for propane. B. C4H10. C. C3H4. Only one structure is possible. Q. 4. A. Explain the terms with an example. Structural isomerism. Answer. The phenomenon in which compounds having different structural formulae have the same molecular formula is called structural isomerism. Example. Molecular formulae equals C4H10Q. 4. B. Explain the terms with an example. Covalent bond. Answer. The chemical bond formed by sharing of two valence electrons between the two atoms is called the covalent bond. Examples. H2. Q. 4. C. Explain the terms with an example. Heteroatom in a carbon compound. Answer. The atoms of the elements such as halogen, oxygen, nitrogen substitute one or more hydrogen atoms in the hydrocarbon chain and thereby the tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. The atom of the element which is a substitute for hydrogen is referred as a heteroatom in carbon compounds. A heteroatom is any atom that is not carbon or hydrogen. Example. Note. Typical heteroatoms are nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Q. 4. D. Explain the terms with an example. Functional group. Answer. The compounds acquire specific chemical properties due to the heteroatoms or the groups. These heteroatoms or the groups containing heteroatoms are called functional groups. Examples. Alcohol or aldehyde CHO. The major functional groups are shown below. Q. 4. E. Explain the terms with an example. Alkane. Answer. The valencies of all the atoms are satisfied by the single bonds. Such compounds are called saturated compounds. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Examples. Butane, methane. The following are the structures of alkanes. Q. 4. F. Explain the terms with an example. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Answer. The compound in which the valency of all the atoms is either satisfied by the double or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Examples. Ethene, propene. Q. 4. G. Explain the terms with an example. Homopolymer. Answer. The polymers which are formed by the repetition of a single monomer is called as homopolymers. Examples. Polyethylene, Teflon etc. Q. 4. H. Explain the terms with an example. Monomer. Answer. The smallest unit that repeats regularly to form a polymer is called monomer. Example. Polyvinyl is formed from the monomer, vinyl chloride. Q. 4. I. Explain the terms with an example. Reduction. Answer. Chemical reaction that involves the gaining of electrons by one of the atoms involved in the reaction. Example. Conversion of an aldehyde to alcohol. Q. 4. J. Explain the terms with an example. Oxidant. Answer. Substances that can give oxygen to other substances are called oxidants or oxidizing agents. Examples. Potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate. Q. 5. A. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Answer: butane. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 4 carbons and the valency of all the atoms is satisfied by single bond, so it is a saturated hydrocarbon with the name butane. Q. 5. B. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CHOH CH3. Answer: propane to all. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 3 carbons, so prop is used and the numbering can be done from either left to right or right to left since this is a symmetrical molecule. On the second carbon, O group is present, which means alcohol group, so the suffix used is all. Q. 5. C. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CH2 COOH. Answer: propanoic acid. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 3 carbons, so the prefix propan is used. There is also a presence of COOH group indicating acid, so the suffix used in this case is oic acid. Q. 5. D. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CH2. Answer: ethanamine. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 2 carbon atoms, so the prefix eth is used. The presence of groups indicates the presence of amine and the same is used as the suffix. Q. 5. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CHO. Answer: ethanol. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 2 carbon atoms, so the prefix used is eth. There is also a presence of aldehyde group IE. CHO, so the suffix used is al. Q. 5. F. Write the IUPAC names of the following structural formulae. CH3 CO CH2 CH3. Answer: but-1. Explanation: the parent chain consists of 4 carbon atoms, so the prefix used is but. There is also a presence of ketones group IE. CO, so the suffix used is 1, and 2 is indicating the position of the ketone group. Q. Che. Identify the type of the following reaction of carbon compounds. A. CH3 CH2 CH2 O CH3 CH2 COOH. B. CH3 CH2 CH3 CO2 जोड़ 4H2OC. CH3 CH equals CH CH3 जोड़ Br 2 CH3 CH Br CH3D. CH3 CH3 जोड़ Cl2 CH3 CH2 Cl जोड़ HCl. CH3 CH2 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 O CH3 CH2 CH equals CH2 जोड़ H2OF. CH3 CH2 COOH जोड़ NaOH CH3 CH2 को जोड़ H2OG. CH3 COOH जोड़ CH3 O CH3 को CH3 जोड़ H2O. Answer: our oxidation reaction propanol is oxidized to propanoic acid. B. Combustion reaction. Propane in the presence of air gives carbon dioxide and water. C. Addition reaction. Bromine attacks on the double bond to give Vic D halide. D. Substitution reaction. Chlorine replaces the hydrogen and the second chlorine forms the byproduct HCl. A. Dehydration reaction. Butanol reacts in the presence of acid to give alkene with the removal of water. F. Neutralization reaction. Ethanoic acid in presence of base NaOH gives salt and water. G. Esterification reaction. Acetic acid and methanol reacts to give ester methyl methanoate as the product. Q. 7. A. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Pen 2, 1. Answer. Q. Sat. B. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. 2-chlorobutane. Answer. Q. Sat. C. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Propan 2-ol. Answer. Q. Sat. D. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Methanol. Answer. Q. Sat. E. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Butanoic acid. Answer. CH3CH2CH2COOH. Q. Sat. F. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. 1-bromopropane. Answer. Q. Sat. G. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Ethanamine. Answer. Q. Sat. H. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. Butanone. Answer. Q. Art. A. Write answers as directed. What causes the existence of very large number of carbon compound? Answer. Carbon is able to form large number of compounds due to the property of catenation. The atomic number of carbon equals 6. The 2 electrons are in the inner orbit, while the other 4 are valence electrons, outer electrons that are available for forming bonds with other atoms. Due to this, carbon can form large number of compounds, and catenation is the reason for the existence of large number of carbon compounds. Q. Art. B. Write answers as directed. Saturated hydrocarbons are classified into 3 types. Write these names giving one example each. Answer. The saturated hydrocarbons are classified into 3 types. I. Straight chains. The carbon atoms are joined in a straight chain with single bond. E. Branched chain. Some carbon atoms are branched to other carbon atoms. E. Rings. Carbon atoms forms the rings. Q. Art. C. Write answers as directed. Give any 4 functional groups containing oxygen as the heteroatom in it. Write name and structural formula of one example each. Answer. 4 functional groups are I. Alcohol. Example. PROPAN2-ol. E. Aldehyde. Example. Methanol. E. Carboxylic acid. Example. Butanoic acid. CH3CH2CH2COOH. If ketones. Examples. Butanone. Q. Art. D. Write answers as directed. Give names of 3 functional groups containing 3 different heteroatoms. Write name and structural formula of one example each. Answer. I. Ethanamine containing nitrogen as the heteroatom. E. Alcohol containing oxygen as the heteroatom. Example. PROPAN2-ol. E. 2-chlorobutane containing chlorine as the heteroatom. Q. Art. E. Write answers as directed. Give names of 3 natural polymers. Write the place of their occurrence and names of monomers from which they are formed. Answer. 3 natural polymers are Q. Art. F. Write answers as directed. What is meant by vinegar and gashol? What are their uses? Answer. Vinegar is liquid consisting of water and acetic acid and other trace chemicals which includes flavoring. Uses of vinegar. I. Eliminates odors. E. Kill bathroom germs. E. Freshen up the fridge. Gasohol is a mixture of petrol and alcohol used as an alternative fuel for cars and other vehicles. Q. Art. G. Write answers as directed. What is a catalyst? Write any one reaction which is brought about by use of catalyst. Answer: catalyst is a substance that causes a chemical reaction to occur but is not itself involved in the reaction. Example: formation of ammonia. N2-Jor3H22. Catalyst used is iron and molybdenum.